Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to add the Superman eyes effects in CapCut like this. And what you need to do is, open CapCut and then prepare your video. In this case, I'm using just 1 second video. And then next, go to effects and body effects. And here go to hardware and choose the electric eyes effect. So this one's right here. Click on the effects. You can adjust it if you want, but I'm going to just leave it like that, and then click on a check icon and then go back and click on the body effects again and choose the hardware again, but find the lightning. This one's right here, the lightning. So which this one is in pink color, you can adjust it and change it into yellow so that it's the same as the eye. You can just swipe it to the right like this and then click on the bottom here and click on a check icon, and the final result will look like this. Okay guys, so that is how you can add Superman eyes effects in your video. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.